When I tore my ACL, my physical therapist didn't just help me physically, but also mentally, just trying to help me get over the finish line because it's a long rehab process. And I really like the impact my physical therapist had on me, and I wanted to share that with others. UWM has helped me prepare for my career as a physical therapist in many ways. The one that was most meaningful to me was gaining hands-on experience early on in the program. You not only learn the stuff in lecture, but you have to be able to apply that in a real-world situation, which helped me build confidence and feel more realistic when working with actual patients. After graduation, I will be starting at PT Solutions as a physical therapist. What excites me most about this opportunity at PT Solutions is the orthopedic residency program that I'll be starting. And I am really excited to continue my learning, grow as a clinician, and just refine my hands-on skills and technique.